All right, we're going to replace the remote battery in a 2023 Chevrolet Bolt. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. There's a button right here on the left side that we're going to push with our thumb, and then we can pull out the emergency key. Turn the key over. Now what we're going to do is use a small flathead screwdriver, and we're going to put the screwdriver into the slot where the emergency key was, but we're only going to stick it in there about like 1/4 of an inch. And then we're going to pry the remote open. Okay, so there's a split right here in the remote, so we're just going to go in there about 1/4 of an inch and then pry it open. Okay, show what that looks like right here. Okay, so the front of the remote, go and put the board back on that side here, but if we look at the back of the remote, we're only putting it in like this far. Okay, and then we're just going to go crack. So back of the remote is where the battery's at. Flathead screwdriver, just pop the battery out and I'll show you what size battery we're working with. Working with a CR 2032 battery with the positive sign facing down. If you need to get a battery because yours is dead, you can buy them on Amazon. I'll have a link down in the description box, but we just place it in there just like that, positive side down. Then we get the other half of the remote and we just squeeze it all back together. Hear it click and pop, good sounds. Put the emergency key back in. If it goes in and locks, you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. See you guys in another video.